Good morning guys, and welcome back to a new video. So today and this weekend we are in the Matley Basin in England, riding the Motocross of Nations for Norway. Really excited. The track looked in perfect conditions, and yeah, today we're going to do some training, like 45 minutes training or 40 minutes or something. Then it's a qualification race, and hope to qualify, of course. And then if we don't, then it's a C final today, which we are not going to go in, hopefully. Then it's B final tomorrow morning. So yeah, we are just eating some breakfast now, and it's ready to go for some riding. So yeah, let's go riding. Yeah, training done. Was feeling pretty bad the first laps, but got into a good flow and had yeah, one time that was not too bad. And yeah, I tried to set one faster, and I was faster in section 1, section 2, but about the same in section 3, and then I crashed in section 4. So unfortunately, yeah, I didn't get the best time, but I think I was 24th, which is not too bad. I've just started riding 250, so happy with that. So yesterday I was a bit sick, so I didn't say anything after the qualification race, but become a 20th place. Didn't get the best start. I had a pretty decent actually, but into the corner I closed the throttle and dropped back a little bit, and then I get back to 20th. So happy with that. It's a high level in this class, and I was riding pretty good I feel like. So I've just been out for practice. It's been raining tonight, so the track was really muddy. Yesterday it was perfect, but now it's very muddy. So just eating some pasta now and trying to get ready for the B final, because Norway didn't qualify. So the B final is now in 1 hour, I think. So after that, if we win, we qualify to the A final. But if we don't, then I'm going to watch. Söta. So done now with the B final race. Didn't get the best jump off the start. I was spinning on the start pad, so I was far behind, and with all the muddy conditions, I already had to pull my roll-offs over the gate, and then half a lap down I need to throw my googles. But I made some good passes the first turns, and was already up to around 20th place the first lap, I think. And I was riding pretty a little bit stiff and stuff in the start of the race, but I loosened up quite a bit, and could excel towards the moto. And when I got faster and faster, unfortunately I make a crash, and I fall on the doubles. Made a pretty huge crash, and when I picked my bike up, it fell the other way, so I used quite a lot of time, but I got back together, got up to 11, 12 or something, and then I crashed again. Of course, was a lot of out of the track and stuff, and made a lot of mistakes, but it was a fun race, mud race, and the conditions were really harsh, so it was a tough race. But I made it to the end and scored a 13th place, I think, so not too bad. The first race in Europe with the 250, so happy with that. So let's go out and watch the main races.
Cole Seeley's out on the Honda. The race is ready to start. Now, it ain't 10 seconds anymore. The lead number one closer. And Steve Meanwhile now coming out of the track on one, still smoking his way around in second. Seconds to go.
Right, nice and quiet now, ladies and gentlemen. Shh. Take it down, take it down.
Let me flag it.
yeah, so that's it for yeah, so that's it for this weekend, guys. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Now my plans for the future is now to change the style a bit to more edits and stuff, and then yeah, when the season begins next year again, I will do vlogging, hopefully. Not sure 100% yet, but yeah, I want to change up a bit and yeah, make some edits and stuff, and then but yeah, maybe it come a vlog yeah, sometimes, and yeah, hopefully you still will keep being active on this channel. So hope you guys have enjoyed this last vlog for this year, and yeah, hope to see you guys again next season. So thanks guys, and yeah, see you in the next edit or something. Yeah.